Good morning, children. Beta, today in last class we have completed till exercise 18.1 and question number first we have completed. Okay. Now today onwards we are going to start from question number 2. Okay, and see that what is the question. From each corner of a square of side 2 centimeter, cut off to get as figure is given to you. Find the perimeter of the two figures and compare them. Okay, we have these two figures. One is a square of side 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter. Each side is square 6 centimeter, and another figure is like that. Okay, each of its side is 2 centimeter. Here also 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay, if I will give it name as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Okay, and suppose this square is forming P, Q, R and S. Okay, beta. What we have to do in these two questions? Just listen here. We have to find the perimeter of the given two figures. Okay, so what we will do, just try to understand first. It is a square. Okay, suppose it is a square. L, M, N and O, different name I have given to it. So write that perimeter of square L, M, N and O is equal to, what is the formula for perimeter of square? 4 into side. Okay, so it's 4 and side is how much? 6 centimeter. So what will be its perimeter? 4 6 is 24 centimeter. It is the perimeter of the first figure. Now beta, if you will see, each of the side of the square is 2 centimeter. Suppose it is 2 centimeter, so this will also be 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Beta, if you will see ABCD, ABCD is forming a rectangle. A to B length will be 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 6. See that perimeter. Perimeter of ABCD will form a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle ABCD is equal to, what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, how much its length will be? AB, 2 into length is beta AB, 2 plus 2 plus 2, how much? 6, and plus breadth is how much beta? 2, 6 plus 2. So it will be 8. 8 plus 2, 16 centimeter. Okay, so in this way you have find the perimeter of ABCD. Now same way you will find the perimeter of EFGH. So if you will see that the length of EF width will be 2 centimeter and FG will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 again 6 centimeter. Okay, so perimeter of EFGH is equal to how much beta? 2 again, 2 into length is how much? EH plus breadth is how much beta? EF. Okay, so it will become 2 into EH is how much beta? 6 plus EF 2. So it will also come 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 to just 16 centimeter. Okay, so perimeter of the given figure second. Now see that perimeter of figure 2. It is figure 1 and this is figure 2 of figure 2 is equal to 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16 is equal to how much beta? 32 centimeter. But if you will see, this PQRS is added 2 times. Okay, how much its perimeter? When you have taken ABCD, at that time also PQRS was common, and when you have taken EFGH, at that time also PQRS perimeter is added in the given figure. So you can see that PQRS is added 2 times in rectangle. I am writing here rectangle ABCD and EFGH. Okay, so it should be added only one time. So once times it is a square PQRS. Okay, so its perimeter you have to subtract from the given perimeter. Okay, so what you will do, perimeter of PQRS is equal to 4 into side is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So perimeter of PQRS is better 4 into side, 4 into 2 is equal to 8 centimeter. You have seen that while we have taken the perimeter of ABCD, at that time this PQRS perimeter is coming into the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD, and when we have taken EFGH perimeter, at that time also the perimeter of this square is added in the perimeter of the given figure. So it should be added only once. इसको एक ही बार ऐड होना चाहिए था, ये कितनी बार में ऐड हो गया है? 2 टाइम्स ऐड हो गया है. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? दैट इज perimeter of the figure 2. Total perimeter of the figure 2 is 32 centimeter. So once its perimeter, once time ABCD's perimeter should be subtracted from the figure 2 perimeter, then only you can get the actual perimeter of the figure 2. So how you will write that? Actual perimeter of figure 2 is equal to 32 minus perimeter of square which one? PQRS. And what it will be? 32 and minus 8 centimeter. So how much it will become? 24 centimeter. So in this way what we have concluded, that the perimeter of both the figure 1 and figure 2 are coming equal. Okay, once again I am going to explain you this one also. First of all, it was a square. We have taken its perimeter simply by 4 into side is equal to 24 centimeter. And when we have seen this figure, because all the sides were 2 centimeter, so we have decided that A to B's length is 6 centimeter and its width is 2 centimeter. So it is looking like a rectangle. So its perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, that 6 plus 2 is equal to 16 centimeter. In the same way, EFGH perimeter also it will come equal. Then we will add both the perimeter, it will come equal to 32. But if we will see that PQRS is coming in both the rectangles, in ABCD also and in EFGH also. So once its perimeter we should calculate, and then once time its perimeter should be subtracted from the both the figures, means complete perimeter of the figure 2. Then in this way we will get the actual perimeter of the figure 2, that is 32 minus 8 is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, now we are coming to the next question. Now see that beta, question number 3, which exercise 18.1 we are doing, and this time we are going to solve question number 3. Okay, see that now. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 120 centimeter. Okay, perimeter of rectangular sheet is how much? Is equal to 120 centimeter. 120 centimeter. Okay, and if its length is 25, length L is equal to how much? 25 centimeter. Then we have to find its breadth. So what will be its breadth? Okay, so you know that perimeter of rectangle is equal to how much? 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, perimeter you have to given how much? 120 centimeter is equal to 2 into length. Also you have to given 25 or plus breadth. Okay, so this 2 will come here. 120 divided by 2 is equal to 25 plus breadth. Okay, so if you will make it cancel, it will become 60. So 60 is equal to 25 plus breadth. So 60, and this positive value will come here, and if you will bring here in the opposite direction, okay, transposition you will do, it will come 25 is equal to breadth. Okay, 35 centimeter. So what will be its breadth? Breadth will be 35 centimeter. So in this way you can do the question number 3rd. Okay, now come to the question number 4 and see that what is the question number 4. Now see that beta, question number 4, what is this? A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 20 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. Okay, see that a wire means from a wire a rectangle is formed. Its length is 20 centimeter. Okay, and breadth is 12 centimeter. I am giving it name ABCD. Okay. Now see that what he is saying. The same wire is bent in the same of a square. What will be the side of the square? Okay, beta. What he is saying that it is a square. Now it is a rectangle. Okay. So what we will do? First of all, we will find the perimeter of this rectangle, so that in this way what we can conclude that what will be the length of the wire, and length of the wire can be calculated only with the help of the perimeter. Okay. Now see that perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is how much beta? 20 and breadth is 12. So 2 into 20 plus 32 and 32 to the 64 centimeter will be its length. Wire length of the wire will be 64 centimeter. Okay. Now this wire is rebent, means reshaped in the form of a square, and this time we have to find what will be the side of the square. Now see that length of wire is equal to how much beta? 64 centimeter. Okay. It means perimeter of square, because by this wire we are forming a square, so its perimeter of square will be 64 centimeter. And what is the formula for perimeter of square? 4 into side is equal to how much? 64 centimeter. So side of the square will be how much beta? 64 divided by 4, because this is in multiply. When it will go in the right hand direction, it will come converted into the divide sign. So side of square is equal to how much beta? 4 1 ja 4 or 4 6 ja 24, sorry, 4 6 ja 24. Okay, so side of the square will be how much? 16 centimeter. So in this way we can calculate the side of the square. Again try to understand what is the question. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle whose length is 20 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. It means if we would like to know that what will be the length of the wire. It means for that what we need? Perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so formula is 2 into length plus breadth. So we have calculated the length of the wire is 64 centimeter. Now this 64 centimeter is converted or reshaped in the form of a square. It means perimeter of the square will be 64 centimeter. So 4 into side is equal to 64 centimeter, and we have to find that what will be the length of the square. So length of the square means side of the square will be 64 divided by 4, that is it will come equal to 16 centimeter. So in this way till question number up to means 4 we have completed. Now we are coming to the question number 5th one. Okay, we are going to start question number 5th one now. See that question number 5th one is that I am reading question. The perimeter of the isosceles trapezoid. Trapezoid is 200 centimeter. What is its perimeter? Perimeter is equal to how much? 200 centimeter. Okay, and find the value of x. X we have to find. What do you know? The perimeter. Perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD or plus DA is equal to how much? 200 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of all sides. AB is how much beta? X plus 2. BC is X. CD again X plus 2. Or DA is X. Is equal to 200 centimeter. How many X are? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4X plus 2 plus 2, 4. 4x plus 4 is equal to 200 centimeter. So 4x, this 4 will be shifted on right hand side. It is equal to 200 minus 4. Okay. So 4x is equal to how much beta? 196. So x is equal to 196 divided by 4. So x is equal to 4 4 ja 16. 3 4 9 ja 36. How much? X will be 49 centimeter. You have to find only the value of x in the given question. So in this way, what will be the value of x? It will be 49 centimeter. Okay. Afterwards, we are solving now question number 6th one. Now see that beta question number 6th one. What is that? How many times does Shivani have to run around the field of 83 meter long and 33 meter wide to cover 928 meter? Okay, see that. How much distance she is covering? Distance covered around the field is how much beta? 928 meter. Suppose the length, it is a rectangular garden or field around which she is running. Its length is how much beta? Length of the field is 83 meter and breadth is how much? 33 meter. Okay. If once she will go around the boundary, so how much distance she will cover? Equal to its perimeter. Equal to its perimeter. See that how much the perimeter of the figure is coming? ABCD. Okay. Perimeter of ABCD is equal to distance covered in one round. Distance covered in one round. Okay. If in one round we are going through its boundary around the field, at that time how much distance we will cover in a rectangular garden? Equal to its perimeter. So see that perimeter of ABCD is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into how much? Length is 83 meter and breadth is how much? 33 centimeter. See that how much it is coming? 116 centimeter, sorry, not centimeter, it will be in meter. Okay, now multiply. 232 meter she is running or covering distance in 1 meter. But total distance, how much C has covered? 928 meter. So we have to, because in one round C will complete 232 meters. So it means C has taken more than one round. More than one round. Now we have to calculate the number of round. अब हमें क्या करना है? नंबर ऑफ राउंड निकालना है. तो नंबर ऑफ राउंड कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड द टोटल डिस्टेंस डिवाइडेड बाय इट्स perimeter. Okay, so see that number of rounds is equal to total distance upon perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Now see that how much it will come. Total distance how much C has covered? 928. Okay. Divided by perimeter is coming beta 232. Okay. So it will be number of rounds. Number of rounds is equal to. So see that maybe if we will multiply 232 by 4, so we will get the answer. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, carry 1, 4 2 ja 8 or 1 9. So how many times it will be cancelled? 4. So number of rounds is equal to how much? 4 round. C has to 4 times C has to run its boundary, then C will complete how much distance? 928 meter. Okay. Now come to the question number. Which one beta? 7th one. Okay. See that now. See that beta. Now what is the question number 7th one? Question number 7th is that in an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle means two sides will be equal. Isosceles right angle triangle means beta two sides. Right angle means this one. Okay. A, B, C. It is an right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle means AB and BC will be equal because hypotenuse cannot be equal to the any side. So hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle. So what it will be then? See that isosceles right triangle is equal to, what is the meaning means AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. Okay. And if hypotenuse is 21 centimeter. Hypotenuse is how much? 21 centimeter. Okay. And its perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of triangle is how much? 81 centimeter. 81 centimeter. You know that how we can calculate the perimeter of the triangle? Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. See that perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Okay. So perimeter is how much you have to given? 81 centimeter is equal to sum of all sides means AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. So 81 centimeter is equal to AB. Suppose this is X and BC will also be equal to X because it is an isosceles right angle triangle. In isosceles right angle triangle, other than hypotenuse, rest of the side will be equal. Okay, so AB and BC will be equal. Isosceles means two sides will be equal. Hypotenuse cannot be equal because it is the longest side of the right angle triangle. So what are the rest two sides? AB and BC. Then they should be equal. Okay, they must be equal. AB and BC must be equal because we have to given the condition of isosceles triangle. Okay, now AB is how much? We have taken x. BC also we have taken x, and AC is equal to how much beta? 21 centimeter. So see that if 81 centimeter is equal to x and x, 2x, it will become a plus 21 centimeter. Now shift is 81. This is a positive value. If you will transpose it, okay, shifted in the next side. You have learned this part in your algebra. Okay, 81 minus 21 is equal to how much beta? 2x. So 81 minus 21 will be 60 centimeter is equal to 2x. So 60 upon 2 is equal to x. So how much it will become? X is equal to 30 centimeters. Okay, so this side will also be equal to 30 centimeter. BC will also be equal to 30 centimeter, and AC already you have to given 21 centimeter. If you will add them, you will get that your perimeter is coming to how much? 81 centimeter, because perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So in this way, what will be your answer? That equal side AB and BC. So we can write that AB is equal to BC. Their length will be how much? 30 centimeter. Okay. Now next question number 8. Afterwards we are going to solve. Now see that beta, question number 8th one. The perimeter of rectangle is equal to the perimeter of the square of side 15 centimeter. If the side of the rectangle is 20 centimeter long, what is its breadth? Okay. You have to given that the two figures having same perimeter, rectangle and square. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. You have to given. Okay, beta. Suppose its side is A. Okay, and its length you have to given. That if the side of the square is 15, sorry, not A. Side of the square you have to given 15 centimeter. It means all sides will be equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, and the side of the rectangle is equal to 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter length. A, B, C or D. Okay. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square, and you have to find that what is the breadth of the rectangle. See that now beta. Perimeter of rectangle means, what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth is equal to perimeter of square means 4 into side. Okay. Perimeter 2 into length is how much beta? 20 centimeter, and breadth we don't know. So in place of breadth I am writing breadth is equal to 4 into side. Side is how much? 15 centimeter. Okay. Now see that 20 plus breadth B is equal to 15 4 ja 60 centimeter. Okay. This 2 will go here. So 20 plus breadth, or directly also you can do in this way also. 20 plus 2, 22 ja 40 plus 2B is equal to how much? 60 centimeter. Now this is arithmetic value. You can shift it on that side, means numeric value shifted on that side. 2B is equal to 60 centimeter minus 40 centimeter. So 2B is equal to how much? 20 centimeter. So breadth will be equal to beta 20 divided by 2. So breadth will be how much? 10 centimeter. Breadth will be how much? 10 centimeter. So in this way you will get the answer. Now see that if suppose its breadth is 10, so its perimeter will be 20 plus 10, 30, 30 to the 60. And if you will calculate the perimeter of this square also, it will also come 15 for the 60. So that's why you have to give us perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. In this way, orally also we can verify that whether the given condition after getting answer we are able to satisfy or not. Okay. Now come to the question number 9th one. And that is the second last question of this exercise. See that beta, what is the question number 9th one? The perimeter of a parallelogram is 72 centimeter and one of the side measure is 16 centimeter. What is the measure of the other side? Beta, formula for the perimeter of parallelogram and perimeter of rectangle both are same. You have, suppose you have given this as length 16 centimeter, or then you can find its breadth. Okay, so perimeter of parallelogram, I am going to solve this one, and the question based on these this exercise, while I will send you the PDF of this chapter, at that time I will add some question which will be based on these questions. Okay, now see that perimeter, because perimeter of parallelogram is equal to beta 2 into length plus breadth. What is the difference between the rectangle and the parallelogram? In rectangle, all the angles are equal to 90 degree, and in parallelogram, all the angles are not equal to 90 degree. Otherwise, rest of the conditions are same for the means opposite sides are parallel and equal in rectangle also and in parallelogram also. Okay, so we have to given, suppose length is equal to how much? Length is equal to suppose 16 centimeter, and we have to find the breadth is equal to. So perimeter is how much beta? Perimeter also we have to given, perimeter is equal to 72 centimeter. Okay, see that now, perimeter 72 is equal to 2 into length is how much? Suppose 16 we have to given, a plus breadth b. 72 divided by 2 is equal to 16 plus breadth. Will come equal to beta 36. 36 to the 72. Okay, 36 minus, and it will be 36 here. Okay, so 36 minus 16 will be equal to beta how much? 20. So breadth of the, this means question number 9, its breadth will be equal to 20 centimeter. Here perimeter was given to you 72. Then length I have taken, because I don't know it was length or breadth, so in place of length I have put the value. So in this way 16 plus b it will be, and this 2 will come in the division. So 36 divided by 72 divided by 2 will be equal to 36, and this 16 plus b, 36 minus 16 is equal to b, so b will be equal to 20 centimeter. So in this way we get the answer of the question number 9, b is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, see that Rakhi takes 5 rounds of a garden which is in hexagonal shape. She covered a total distance of 1500 meter. What is the side of the hexagon? Okay, total distance covered is equal to 1500 meter. Okay, number of rounds is equal to 5. So just now I taught you one formula, that number of rounds is equal to total distance upon perimeter of hexagon. Okay, so number of round is how much, many? First of all, now what we will do, perimeter of hexagon. Okay, perimeter of hexagon how much it will be? Hexa means 6 side, so 6 into side. Okay, now see that we have to find number of rounds. How many rounds are there, beta? 5 rounds. So 5 is equal to total distance is common 1500 meter. Okay, upon 6 into side. 6 into side. Okay, now do the cross multiplication in this way. 5 into 6 into side is equal to 1500 meter into 1. Okay, so 5 6 are 30 into side is equal to 1500 meter. So side of the hexagon will be equal to 1500 divided by 30. 3 5 ja 15 50. So side of hexagon will be equal to 50 meter. Side of hexagon will be equal to 50 meter. Now we will try to understand the concept, or we are going to verify it. If side of the hexagon is figure like that, which will have 6 sides. Okay, 6 side it is having. Suppose one side is of 50 meter. Okay, so what will be its perimeter? Perimeter will be 6 into 50. 6 5 ja 30, 300 meter. She will go in one round. 300 meter will go. She will go in one round. How many rounds she has taken? 5 rounds. In 5 rounds, how much distance she will cover? 5 into 300. 5 3 are 15. 1500 meters. So in this way we have checked that our answer is correct. So here today beta we have completed exercise 18.1. In this exercise only the question was related to the perimeter. In the next part of the topic, when we will come to the exercise 18.2, at that time we will understand about the area of these figures. Till that you just revise and understand the exercise 18.1. Okay, till that thank you and have a good day to all of you.